I'm Jordan from Intelligo, and I'm now going to show you how to use the users function of the admin dashboard. So once we're in the admin dashboard, we just navigate to users on the left-hand side. This will allow us a range of options with which to interact with our users on the platform. So I can filter these results by users that are online, active users, which are those that have logged in once already but might not be online right now, inactive users who have been sent an invitation or been registered but they haven't completed their profile information and logged into the platform for the first time, those who've just been sent their welcome information but haven't logged in, and those that have not been sent their welcome information but have been added to the admin backend. Finally, I can also look at who's been made an admin on the platform. Up here, there are a couple of buttons. I can create a user individually manually by entering their email address. I'm already registered for the event, so it won't let me add myself again. What I can also do is choose to send any users that have been pre-registered but haven't yet been sent the onboarding information their welcome emails. So I can do that by clicking this button. I can search for my users manually. And then I can also apply bulk actions to users by selecting them and clicking on Actions. In this area, I can assign people to sponsors or partners. I can assign them with access tags to different sessions. I can resend their welcome email. I can send them a password reset. I can complete their onboarding process for them so that they don't have to do that when they log into the platform for the first time. And I can also reset this onboarding information back to the standard so they have to complete it again. Finally, I can choose to remove these people from the event entirely. In the right-hand side, next to people's names, I have a toggle with which I can make these people administrators for the event. I can see whether they've been sent their welcome email and whether they've completed onboarding. Finally, I can use the pencil to edit their profile. I can resend their email. I can also send them a password reset by clicking on the envelope icon, or generate them a magic link with which to sign into the platform for one time only. If I generate this person's link, I can copy it and send it to them. Finally, I can use the dustbin to delete them from the event entirely. That's the individual user tools. Next, I'm going to talk about access tags and bulk user actions.